Grill it.
मिक्स करें उसमें
हाँ हाँ मैं ले लेगा
This is for the fish, 5-6 cloves of garlic and 4 lemons for 1 kg of fish. And this is with butter, lemon, yeah?
Olive oil,
Olive oil.
mustard, lemon, salt, pepper. इधर
1 tablespoon each of salt and pepper.
and pepper.
And what salt is this?
Normal salt. Table salt. Adding mustard paste to this.
This is freshly made or bottled and bought?
No, this bottle. This green mustard.
Okay.
It's not going to be the same if you're going to soak the mustard and then grind it. नहीं
Why do you grill it on the gas and then put it in the oven?
although it's not, the oven is not going to give you a good finishing.
Uh-huh.
My only what I'm trying to do is trying to get that, you know, that technically it's called the Maillard reaction. I'm trying to get that caramelization onto the skin first before putting it in.
So all your grilled fish recipes, you would recommend that you put
It's
it
based
on
on the size. Because of this size,
Hmm.
see this is the
Okay,
thickness.
this is the bigger one.
Yeah. If I were doing just the fillet,
Hmm. Then straight away the grill. No, the pan.
straight away cook it on the pan itself.
On the pan.
Yeah.
So this is a 1 kilo. If you're taking say 400, 500 grams, then
Straight onto the grill.
on
Finish
the
it on the grill itself.
on the gas itself.
Yeah.
You don't need to bake it.
No.
So you mean to say the gas is better than the oven? Because Europe and everywhere it's the oven. They don't put it on the gas, I guess.
They do.
They do. And all your recipes in
But
Pinter
gas
also.
is just they want to get it onto the grill.
But in Pinter, all the recipes of grilled fish is straight in the oven.
I would recommend you put it on the grill and then put it in the oven. I'm putting
Okay.
it on the grill and then the oven is mainly because I want to get that caramelization on top
Hmm. Okay. And then cook the meat inside in the oven.
in the oven.
Okay. So you at least let it rinse for 20 minutes?
At least.
At least, no?
रेस्ट ऑफ करके दें
हाँ
रेस्ट ऑफ
आज ये करते हैं
कल ये करें
कल वो वाला करते हैं Is that okay?
That's okay with me. Some sauce inside?
Okay. फिश फ्रिज में डाल दो शेफ Put that fridge in the, put it in the fridge right now.